everyone, today I would like to present about my project. This is for the August 17th competition. So this game is titled Panjat Pinang and is inspired from the real life game Panjat Pinang. Instead of using people, we use blocks to go up the tree. Okay, let's go over the code a little bit. So in the start of the game, you will set into the menu room. Yeah, this is the menu room. And if you go to the player, yeah, this is the Y coordinates and the X. There are two animations, the idle and the run. So if you don't move, you'll stay in the idle animation. If you move, you go to the run animation. At start, you'll always be in the idle animation. So this is the basic controls. So if the A key is pressed, you will move. Your X will be -3, which is left, and if you press D, it will go to the right. So yeah, if you run, if you press A or D, you'll set to the run animation. And yeah, like once you are overrunning, you just go to the normal animation. This is the idle. If you touch the block, you will so there this gravity. This is the self.y minus equals 4. So you'll always be affected by gravity by 4. And if you touch the blocks, it will be negated. So you won't fall and you won't go up. Same with the floor. And if you collide with the enemy, you will lose 1 health and you have a total of 3 health. And if your health reaches 0, you die. And if you hit the treasure, if you go to the treasure, you will restart the whole game. If the space key is pressed, this is the space key, you will go up by 50. So for every if the self.jump timer is over 0, you will always increase by 10 velocity. So I'll demonstrate it. If you press space, so when it falls down, that the jump, which means the jump timer has run out. So 10 velocity, then immediately decreases. Okay, I'll go on to the blocks. This is the blocks, and yeah, this also has gravity. If it hits the floor, it's negated. And this is to check between blocks. So this is self call is the collision between self and blocks, which is itself. And if the self collision is not itself, then +4, which means that it will stand up. So if you press B, yep, there. And if key was pressed B, it will summon new blocks. This is the pointer. So the pointers X and Y is based on the mouse and camera X and Y. If the mouse, if you click once on the left, it will get the collision. And if you hold it for longer, the box will move. So yeah, see the self-dragging.x will be the pointers X. Also change the sprite into a star. This is the enemy. Basically, so it has a random X position, -600 to 600, and a random angle. If it hits the floor or the block, it will die. It has a negative. It has a 10 power gravity. This is the spawner. So for every 200 ticks, it will spawn a new enemy. And yeah, every tick you will lose every tick. Okay, this is about for the code. So I'll be teaching you about some of the controls. So you press click, and we'll start the game. So you can press A, D for the bit and space to jump, move, left and right. You can use the blocks to go up. So this is how you play the game. You just try to get up to the top. So for the following video, this is a clip of me actually winning the game.